Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm going to teach you how to downgrade your iOS 26 beta to iOS 18 or 18.5 without losing any data. The first thing you want to do right now is going to be opening up your iTunes. Should be looking like this one. So this is going to be the application we're going to use to successfully downgrade our software from iOS 26 beta to iOS 18. Because I'm hearing there's going to be a lot of problems using this new iOS 26 beta. So what you do want to do right now is look for this website. It should be called IPSW. Click on this one right there, and you're going to have a lot of devices. So for example, you're using your iPad, MacBook, Apple TV, HomePad, Vision, and iPhone for this one. Choose a device first. I'm going to go for iPhone. By the way, guys, just a disclaimer, iOS 26 beta is only applicable for iOS SE second generation and above, so iPhone 11 and below are not actually available for this new feature. Well, anyway, I'm just going to select iPhone 15 for this one, and you're going to have iOS 18.5 right there. Click on it, you'll be successfully downloading it on your computer. Should be on here part right here, and here. After downloading that file right there, connect your device, maybe your mobile device or your tablet, to your computer via a USB or a lightning cable cord. Once successfully connected, open up your iTunes, and automatically that device will now register on your iTunes. It should be showing up on this left side, and basically just insert the file we have downloaded in the new phone right here without any problems. Do not forget to back up your phone, by the way, guys. After inserting an iPhone to your PC and using iTunes, make sure you back it up. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.